Well, hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. We are here to see if Walmart sells models or not. I've been in 3 or 4 Walmarts already today. We're gonna film this one and see what we find out. We've heard all the myths. Walmart sells them, Walmart doesn't. They've got them at my Walmart. They don't have them at this one, at that one. We're gonna see what's going on here at Walmart and see if they got models or not. Well, hey, we found models. We actually even found quite a few, for a Walmart that is. I know it's not the best selection in the world, but hey, it's better than nothing. I'm kind of surprised at what I found. Oh, there's that. Oh, check it out. There's some nice stuff there. A few semis, trailers. What we got here? Oh, I like that kit there, the snowplow, that Western Star. That's pretty nice. Not sure how much these are. The prices are kind of all over the board there. That trailer's a nice trailer too. What else we got here? Thunderbird. Oh, there's some cool stuff. Jolly Rancher stuff. All right. Not a bad selection. While I was there was a guy that came up and purchased 4 or 5 models. He grabbed them and took off in his cart. One of them happened to be the Nova that they just came out with, the Nova wagon. I think he grabbed all of those actually. There probably isn't any left because he went through them while I kind of waited for him to finish up. There's some wacky racer stuff, a van. You can always do fun things with vans. Some Star Trek stuff. I had a lady come up and pick up a Star Trek Model 2 while I was there. There's some, it's not the best paint supplies in the world, but there's some paint stuff. And that's for a beginner, which will work out. Hopefully this will get some people into modeling and then they can get some nice paints and supplies. I was surprised to see the trikes there too, the mailbox and a taco. Super cool. There's a lightning, some more wacky racer stuff, the creepy coupe. Now there's some diorama stuff. Oh yeah, a Willie Snap kit. That paddy wagon's cool. 67 Impala. Not a bad selection. Check out the Fairlane. You don't see that kit too often at all. That's a pretty cool stock car actually. 57 Chevy. And what we got clear up here? We'll go through them all here. Mustang. Not bad selection. Like I said, someone walked off with a Star Wars kit that I didn't find any more of, and someone took at least 4 of the Nova wagons. There's our selection of Walmart kits. Not bad, not bad. Not every Walmart has them. Well, there you go. I found a Walmart that has them. I have to admit, I went to 3 or 4 Walmarts, so I found a Walmart that has models. And I'm glad I came here. This is the important part of this video, is I talked to a bigwig in Walmart and the toy department manager, and they said that not all Walmarts carry them. So we have busted the myth. Will this be the new Mythbuster show? But anyway, good luck. Let me know down below if your Walmart has models or not. And plus it'll help the guys out. You know, hey, I'm in such and such town, this Walmart has them. By the way, this is Louisville, this Walmart has them over on Preston Highway. Let me know down below if you found any. Good luck hunting. It's always fun to go hunting for models anyway. We'll see you on the next episode on Throttle Power.